Alright, this van just came in. 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Pinnacle. Highest top of the line model you can get. This is a Rollx in-floor handicap wheelchair conversion. 10,200 miles. Van is absolutely stunning. Clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title. No issues, no stories. This has every single possible option you could get in a Chrysler Pacifica. It is fully loaded. Rollx conversion, top of the line, 20-inch wheels, fully serviced, ready to go. Beautiful, beautiful van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, I'll give you the full tour of this van. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. We're in business 49 years. Feel free to give us a call anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. This is what we do. We do sell new and used handicap wheelchair conversion vans. We are a Brownability authorized service center and dealer. We accept any type of trade-ins, and we have awesome financing. We can ship anywhere in the world. Just let us know. We're happy to help with any questions you might have. If you need shipping, if you have a trade-in, if you need financing, we can get it taken care of for you. If you need any extra equipment added, just let us know. Transfer seats, hand controls. This van does come with a Q-lock system, wheelchair docking system underneath the front passenger seat. As you can see, it is flawless inside and out. 2022, 10,000 miles. This is a Rollx conversion. This is the highest possible model you can get. Panoramic sunroof, TV screens, beautiful diamond stitch brown interior, 360 cameras everywhere, Alcantara headliner. I mean, this thing is fully loaded out. No issues whatsoever. It has so many options. It's got interior cameras, exterior cameras, Blu-ray. Thing is awesome. Upgraded sound system, heated seat. I mean, it has every possible option. We're happy to send you the window sticker so you can see all the options. This thing has absolutely stunning wood grain dash, 10,218 miles. As you can see, again, we are located in Boca Raton, Florida. We can ship anywhere in the world. Just let us know how we can help. If you have any questions whatsoever, we accept trade-ins. If you need any service work, let us know. We have some of the best techs in the mobility industry. We can work on anything. Beautiful, beautiful Rollx van. Got the rear footrest. Feel free to give us a call anytime. 954-561-2499. Any questions or concerns, ask for Jeff or Ken. Beautiful 2022 Rollx Chrysler Pacifica Pinnacle Edition. You will not find another one. There's not too many of these for sale anywhere. They did not build too many of these. Ultra rare. This even has factory tow package. You cannot find this van anywhere. Again, we sell them new and used. We're a Brownability dealer. Feel free to reach out to us anytime if you have any questions. Thank you.